Hey, this is Danielle, and today I'm looking at SANM because this is a 5 out of 5 ranked stock for my pre-earnings momentum strategy, and it's just about to enter the hot zone. Now, if you look at the earnings hot zone, you can see that that is providing an entry point on the 24th, and today being the 22nd, it's close enough. So generally, I'm just looking at a zone before earnings that I can use to enter into a trade on a ticker that historically rallies before the event. So you can see down here in the 5-star stats bar, we have an 11.3% average during that 21 bar time frame. Then we also have a 4.5% average during this 8-day time frame. So overall pretty good. You also have a nice breakaway gap last quarter. So you can see right here that the ticker was estimated to earn $1.99 and they made $3.16. So pretty big move, big high volume move going into the report, big gap up after the report. And then what's great about it is it just continued going. So at this point, now you've had a nice pullback into the 34 EMA and it's starting to go, 4.95% today. And it has a daily squeeze. So for all of these reasons, I'm going to buy this one. If you go back in time, you can just see that, okay, rally there. This quarter, it entered kind of on the high, which can be the worst for the earnings hot zone setup. So you typically just don't want to buy the high. If it's going into the zone on the high, you don't want to buy it. However, if you got it the actual day it went into the zone, then you would have captured that move. So just kind of depends. I'm always scanning, looking for these names, trying to get in on a combination of a pullback plus entering the zone. Quarter before that, it did go in on the high, but it still kept going. Quarter before that, I would say that this was probably before a major change has occurred just because it's kind of flat to down. And you can see that, these 2 quarters after that, it was pretty much on fire. So, I like this one. I think it makes sense. It's not super optionable. However, if you look at the options chain, let's just see what we have here. Going out into July, I think that there's going to be plenty of time just to buy the long calls there. The earnings report says it's probably going to be July 27th. So, potentially I could go out into the August series, but that's just going to add a lot of time on my options. And it's going to add a lot of cost, and those options are not very liquid. So I think for this one, the only way to do it is going to be doing it in July. Delta 60, Delta 65, Delta 70, any of those options would be just fine. So I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm finishing up my pre-earnings momentum class. If you want to join me in the trading room, click on the link below. Bye.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.